We woke up to a beautiful snowy morning. This morning with, I'd say, 5 to 6 inches of snow on the ground. And we're gonna let the dogs out, both Ellie and Zeus, and see how they love this snow. So that tells you how deep the snow is. They're both up to their chins in it. What fun! It's interesting that the snow doesn't even seem to slows them down a little bit, but they're not thinking about the snow, they're just thinking about playing with each other. I can't even keep up with them. I can't turn fast enough to keep up with them. Look at that dog. Oh, he goes in for a head dive. Whoa, he doesn't seem to mind. Zeus is crouched down. I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you. Ellie's hair, fur, whatever you want to call it, tends to pick up the snow. Look at her, she looks like a snow dog up there. As I'm up on the chair, she's got her leash wrapped around her. Look at those legs. Hey, Ellie, look up here at me. Ellie, look up here at me. Yeah. Now you look at Zeus. Zeus hardly has any snow on him. Ellie is just covered. Just covered. Look at that chin. I gotta get her inside and get some warm, or warmer water, not hot at all, on her and get her dried off. I hope you had as much fun watching Ellie and Zeus play in the snow as they had doing it. This is Scott Law, the world's oldest vlogger. And until next time, keep on keeping on.